Hi, my name is Okoth. I'm from Kenya and I'm a malaria researcher, and I'm also involved in malaria advocacy as a malaria champion with the United to Beat Malaria campaign. In the African region, especially in the Eastern Africa, right now we're experiencing a lot of rain, which we expect is the El Nino season. And when it's flooding so much, people go through a lot of pain in terms of losing their structures, losing their homes. They don't have place to sleep. And then on the other side, you also have lots of water that's becoming like a breeding place for the mosquito vector that's transmitting the plasmodium parasite. And you have cases of malaria going up, and maybe in these areas, maybe the remote areas where they don't have access to, health clinics, the dispensaries, or even the hospitals are not nearby. So when they don't have access to all these resources, and at the same time you have the peak for malaria infections going up, it becomes a huge challenge. It's important where we can reach out to the communities and just to talk to them, find a way of having that conversation, at the community, at the grassroots level, and just talk to them about what is climate and what has changed, and why do we call it climate change, and what impact does it have on us, or even in their region, or in the country, or in the continent, or around the world, and especially regarding the spread of malaria. It's important to also ensure that the government chime in the conversation. It's up to our leaders, who are the policymakers and the decision makers, who can literally materialize on these ideas, and to ensure that they actually bring them to life. All the tools that are out there, the innovations that are being worked on right now or in development, especially when it comes to the vaccines, it's very promising, and it's something that is going to help us as well as in the malaria and climate change nexus. But at the same time, I think it's important considering the sustainability of these innovations. We have this mosquito vector that's already spreading, and it's very flexible and adaptable in different regions. So it will be nice to find ways that we can fight or maybe minimize the spread of this mosquito, and also to see on how we can ensure that we improve the vector control tools that are being used now or in the future.